Hello, class. For our final project, we decided to make a simplified version of a supercharger. Throughout this presentation, we will be showing you what exactly is a supercharger, what it does, how it works, and its uses.
A supercharger is an attachment that fits or can be made to fit any normal combustion engine. It replaces traditional intake manifolds as it forces air and fuel down into the engine. With each rotation of the engine, it receives more oxygen and is able to burn more fuel, allowing for more work to be done by the engine. A traditional supercharger compresses air and gas and forces them into the engine. Air and gas enter through the top or back of the casing and are forced down into the engine by two rotors. The rotors are spun by two gears, where one gear is attached to an input shaft. The input shaft, who is attached to a pulley, is spun by the crankshaft. While it does cause drag on the crank, it provides the engine compressed air. With superchargers, it takes power to make power. From car engines to boats to diesel engines to generators, superchargers allow for more power to be made by any kind of engine. They're even tolerable as motor enthusiasts stack them on top of each other for more compressed air. Not to mention, they just look cool.
And here we have a real-life example of a supercharger being used.
To create the supercharger on SolidWorks, we had to make 9 different parts. These included 4 0.9-inch bolts, 5 1.9-inch bolts, 2 rotors, 2 rotor shafts, an input shaft, 2 gears, a pulley, supercharger housing, and the supercharger cover. And this is the SolidWorks animation of our supercharger.